The South Staffordshire Water Company owned the Minster Pool, a reservoir in the city of Lichfield, Staffordshire. It was referred to as a pool, but its main purpose at this time was water supply. It's still there today with a lovely promenade and memorial gardens. In 1895, the water company had the reservoir cleaned, no doubt to remove rubbish and silt. Sharman was one of the workers engaged for this task. While working, Sharman found 2 gold rings in the mud at the bottom of the reservoir. He told the water company and they demanded the rings, claiming that the rings belonged to them since they were found on their land. Sharman insisted on giving the rings to police to see if the true owner could be found. The true owner could not be found, so police returned the rings to Sharman, and the Water Board immediately sued him in detinue for their return. So, who owned the rings? The court found for the Water Board and against the honest Sharman. The Chief Justice, Lord Russell of Killowen, said, "The general principle seems to me to be that where a person has possession of house or land, with a manifest intention to exercise control over it and the things which may be upon it or in it, then if something is found on that land, whether by an employee of the owner or by a stranger, the presumption is that the possession of that thing is in the owner of the house or land. So if a lost article is found in a place accessible to the public, then the finder has good title against anyone except the true owner. But if the lost article is found in a private place, then the presumption will be that the person in possession of that place is in possession of everything in that place, even things they don't know about." I've always thought this decision somewhat unsatisfactory. The Water Board were the owners of the land in fee simple, but this was a public space which was conveyed to them for a public good, and which has since returned to being public space. The case says nothing about the Water Board actually taking steps to prevent public access. If the place was open to the public, the rings should have remained with Sharman. Regardless, the principle established by Lord Russell has been enduring.